If you're a coffee lover, this coffee-flavored cake using cake mix is the perfect dessert for you. Full of flavor, this rich cake is moist and tender. It is great for serving at dinner parties or potlucks. This cake is simple to make and requires no prior baking experience. It is great to share with your friends and your family as well. This recipe is one that you want to keep on hand. What you will need to make a coffee cake. Ingredients: 1 cup hot water, 4 teaspoons instant coffee, divided, 1 box chocolate cake mix, 1 packaged chocolate flavor instant pudding, 4 eggs, 1/3 cup oil, 4 ounces semi-sweet chocolate, divided, 8 ounces cream cheese, softened, 7 ounces marshmallow cream, 1 container chocolate frosting, 1 cup whipped topping, thawed. Step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Add a layer of aluminum foil to your cake pan, allowing the edges to hang over the pan. Spray the aluminum foil with cooking spray. Step 2. In a large bowl, add instant coffee and hot water. Use a whisk to mix them, stirring until the coffee dissolved. Step 3. Add the cake mix, oil, the eggs, and pudding mix into the bowl with the coffee. Using an electric mixer, beat the cake mixture together until smooth. Step 4. Into the prepared cake pan, pour the cake batter. Bake the cake for 30 to 33 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the middle comes out clean. Before transferring it to a wire rack, let the cake cool in the pan for a few minutes. Step 5. Melt 2 ounces of the semi-sweet chocolate in a microwave-safe bowl. Microwave in about 30-second intervals until the chocolate is smooth. Add the cream cheese, marshmallow cream, and remaining instant coffee to the melted chocolate. Using a mixer, beat the ingredients until well combined. Step 6. Cut the cake in half lengthwise. Add the cream cheese mixture to the first half of the cake, then add the second half on top. Take the jar of frosting and mix it with the whipped topping. Spread the frosting on the sides and top of the cake. Melt the remainder of the chocolate. Drizzle it on top of the frosted cake. Tips and tricks. Since this cake contains whipped topping in the frosting, it should be kept in the fridge. It can be kept in the fridge in an airtight container for up to 5 to 7 days. Allow it to reach room temperature before serving. In addition, you can also freeze this cake to save you time. Place the cake in your freezer for 1 hour to let the frosting set, uncovered. After an hour, cover your cake in a layer of plastic wrap followed by a layer of aluminum foil. The cake can be kept in the freezer for up to 6 months. Once ready to serve, allow the cake to thaw out at room temperature for 2 hours. Alternatively, you can let it thaw overnight in the fridge. In an airtight container, heap any leftovers in the fridge. Instead of using instant coffee, you can also try this recipe with 1 cup of your favorite coffee. You can use cinnamon, caramel, or hazelnut if you are wanting to change up the flavor a bit. In addition, you can also go with your favorite espresso or cappuccino. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.